guys, so I've already like moisturized my face, and yeah, I'm sorry, I'm like, my skin is not thanking me because it has been the holiday season and I had a bad diet and hadn't worked out in like a week, which is what I'm about to do. Yeah, after this, but I'm gonna test out this Revlon Ultra Filter Foundation. And it says photo ready, or Insta Filter, sorry, Insta Filter. But I'm expecting to look like I have an Instagram filter with what this says on here, Insta Filter. I saw it and I was like, oh man, I have to try it. And I'm hoping this is my shade. It is medium beige. I usually am in the beige ranges, so I'm hoping that it's a good shade match. But yeah, it comes with like this weird sponge thing. I'm probably not gonna use this on my face. I can't imagine how unsanitary this gets, so I'm gonna go in with my trusty silicone sponge. But yeah, honestly, on here it kind of freaked me out a little bit. Well, I don't want to say freak me out, but there's no other claims on here. All it tells you is to shake well before use. It doesn't say like if it blurs your face or does anything for your pores or if it's long lasting or what, which most foundations usually have that labeled on here. So I don't know. I'll try to include it in here, or like write it out somewhere, maybe over here. If it, you know, says that it's supposed to do anything, I'll look on the website. But for right now, I gotta get ready because I gotta go to the gym and then I gotta go to work. So let's just go on ahead and jump right into it. So like you keep twisting until like the foundation comes out. It doesn't look too bad. Let's see, like, I'm gonna do just a swipe on my face right here. Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks like it might be a pretty good shade match for me. So yeah, and you just keep twisting. That's weird. That's unique. I've not seen any reviews on this foundation, so I'm really going in cold turkey. So, yeah. Let's see. Should I do one side with a brush? I don't know. My brush is dirty, so let's see. Is this full coverage or... Oh, it's really liquidy. Hold on, let me move my mirror. Oh, it's kind of really liquidy. Kind of like spreading out. I don't know. Yeah, it feels like it dries really fast. Like, it feels like it's a medium kind of coverage one. It almost feels like it does kind of have a primer in it, like a smoothing. It feels smoothing. I wonder how long this lasts though, if this is gonna last on my skin or not. Oh, but I do like it so far. I mean, it's not full coverage, but it feels nice. A bit of a burn spot right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's from my curling iron and it's still peeking through. But it did cover up my redness, so that's nice. Fully aware that I need to pluck my eyebrow, so. Yes, but yeah, compared to this side of my face, it looks really nice though. I really like it. It looks natural to me. Like, it looks like a natural kind of foundation, you know? One that might be good for the gym. I mean, I know most people will be like, why are you wearing makeup to go to the gym? You know, why? Which I usually don't, but when you've got plans, you gotta do it, and I want to make a video for you guys, because I don't know if this is buildable. We'll go back and see, because I can't, there's no other claims on the bottle, which is weird. I'm hoping this doesn't turn oily on my skin with how smoothing it feels, because sometimes like smoothing primers and stuff like that, it kind of does make my skin a little more oily, and as you guys know, I'm always more of a matte kind of girl when it comes to foundation, so it doesn't feel heavy either. Like, it feels lightweight. Go in with like my cheek area right here, because you can still see like skin peeking through. See, it's not like full coverage. I would say it's medium. Like on the medium kind of higher spectrum, yeah, you can still see a little bit of redness right there. So I'm gonna see if this is buildable. Okay, it is buildable. See? So I guess I will show you guys the aftermath of with a finished full face. I went ahead and blended down my neck too. And we will call in this time, let me see the time right now. It is not 10 o'clock, 9:56. So we'll say 10 o'clock is when I finished doing like my foundation And now I'm gonna show you my full face. Okay, you guys, this is the final product. Check-in time is 10:30. It's 10:28 right now. But oh my gosh, my face looks really nice actually. I think it does look really blurred. Let's get up and close to personal. Yes, I know. But it looks really nice actually, and I really like it at this point in time. Like, my face does look blurred, and it doesn't, like, I don't know, it doesn't look dry. It looks like, it feels nice, and it looks like it has like a filter. It really did, like, Insta filter. And the shade match was really good. I'm really hoping that it does not oxidize or anything like that. But I liked it. In my products, they blended really well on top of it. It didn't take like away any of the coverage of the foundation. But I will tell you, I did go in with powder. I set it down with powder, and I also used a setting spray. But that's typical for me to do of all my foundations. No matter what, if I'm testing them out or all of them, I like to set it with a setting spray. But other than that, like, I didn't change anything else, and I think it looks really nice. Ooh, I like this one. And I'm sorry I forgot to mention it's by Revlon. It's the Insta filter. So I'm gonna go to the gym, and I'm gonna check in after the gym because I'm really curious to see if this runs down or what happens, you know? Especially with smoothing primers, sometimes after you work up a sweat, it don't look so smooth anymore. But we'll see. And after that, I'm just gonna go to work, and then we'll see what the day holds. So thank you guys, and see you. Hey you guys, I just finished at the gym, and this is kind of a natural lighting. It's a little cloudy outside today, but this is how my foundation looks so far. It looks really good. Like, and I worked up a sweat. I went running like a mile, so it's not like I did a little bit here and there. I really worked up a sweat, and it still looks really nice. Looks beautiful. Still look like I have a filter. Still done what it promised, and I don't see any oxidizing on my skin, so still good. It's only been about an hour and a half, so you know, but working out still, it looks really, really, really nice. And I'm not driving, by the way, somebody else is driving, so yeah. But we'll call in check-in time. Next time will be about 1, so I'll see you guys then. By the way, hey you guys, if you guys notice a difference, like, all of my stuff is gone because I'm moving. I know, you guys know that I made a video about it previously, but I took it down. But I'm leaving for college. I know, right? I'm excited. And I'm moving further away, somewhere in California, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And yeah, I'm excited. Pretty soon this is gonna go down, and I'm gonna try and make as many videos as I can now that are in here. And I want to do a chit chat get ready with me soon, so stick around for that. But I'm excited, and I'm excited for you to come along with me, so please subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much. And also, I know the new YouTube changes have kicked in. Like, Copa first started the 1st of January, so let's see how that goes. And if you haven't seen it, I already made a video about Copa and all that I knew about it. So yeah, just join me along. Let's go. Let's do this. Yeah, I'm excited. So thank you guys. And thank you for watching this video, by the way. You're awesome. Guys, here I am. I'm sorry it's later. I'm getting off of work. But let me pause the video really quick. Oh, I just paused it. Guys, I just did the dumbest thing. I thought I was talking the whole time, but it's 3:30 right now, and I just got off of work. Yeah, I know I said I would check in at about 1, but that changed. But now it still looks amazing. Like, I'm impressed with it. Still looks like I just put it on. All of it's there. Only a little bit of shine right here. So yeah, next check-in time I'll do about around 5. Hey you guys, it is currently 5 p.m. here, and it still looks beautiful. I love this foundation. This is like, I know I say this for everyone that I've tried, but I seriously mean it. This is like one of my favorites now. And I know I said the NYX one was good, but this is like beautiful. I love the Revlon Insta filter. Oh my goodness. And the next one is good that I've tried out, but like I feel like it doesn't last as long, and it does give the coverage, but it doesn't blur. Like this one, I feel like it makes my face look blurred and it looks really good for camera. But yeah, I really like it. I do notice a little bit of shine right here, but I don't know, it doesn't look oily to me from what I can tell. Like it just looks a little shiny, but it doesn't look oily. So yeah, I should add that I did powder my face, so, you know, but I do that with every foundation. I powdered around, let's see, last check-in was about 3:30, so I powdered like a little after that, but it looks really good. It looks amazing. Yes. Alright. Hey you guys, the check-in time is currently 9 o'clock at night right now. And this is going to be my final time. So last check-in was somewhere around 5, I believe. But I've been wearing this foundation since 10:30 with like my whole face on and everything. And I have to say, it looks beautiful. Of course I have like a little bit of shine right here, as you can tell, but that's typical with any foundation. And honestly, it does not look like I could fry chicken on my skin, which looks amazing. And I am really impressed, especially for being like a filter foundation, like how it says. And the shade match was good. It hasn't oxidized. It still looks like the same color. I don't look like an Oompa Loompa or anything like that. And I don't see like it clinging to any of my dry spots or anything like that. It just got a little bit of shine, but if I powdered it, I could see it still looking good as new. There is one other thing that I will make mention of, especially if you wear glasses, is that right here, like, a little bit has come off, as you can tell, but that's really typical with foundations, you know, especially with me since I wear glasses. But I don't think it would really be a problem if I didn't wear glasses. And honestly, if I like powdered a little more, it'd probably be just fine. But it looks amazing. It blush, my contour, all of that. And even a little bit of my nose contour is still there. So I'm really happy with this. It's so heavy. So yeah, hopefully this doesn't break me out though. Which I'm thinking that it won't, because I found my new favorite foundation, this Revlon Insta Filter foundation. Yeah, you guys, I really love it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried it before, or if you've seen it and you wanted to try it. Because here are my thoughts on it. I really like it. I don't have a problem with it at all. And I could see, especially I have oily skin, so this looks really nice. I'm happy with it. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Have a good night, evening, wherever you are. But thank you for watching, and see you next time. Why did I just say it in that voice? That was so weird. I'm sorry, but